Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can split a PDF into two documents on the Wixel editor. Let's get started. First, go to Wixel.com and make sure that you're logged in. You can log in using your existing Wix account or you can create a new one or sign up. Once you're logged in, click on My Projects, click on Create, and click on Upload. So select the PDF that you wish to split into different sections or different PDF files themselves and click on open. Basically just wait for it to finish loading and for you to be taken to the Wixel editor. So here we are on the Wixel editor. Now we're going to work on our document. So click on it and click on PDF Tools on the action bar above. And from below, select Split PDF. You can view your PDF file into page ranges where you can merge files into one PDF if you indicate the page range here. You can also view it in separate pages where the selected files will be merged into a single PDF. So once you're done, you can split it by clicking on this button. And as you can see, our files have been successfully split. This is the original and this is the split version. You can then share or download your PDF files by going to share and download on the upper right. So click share and you can share it directly here to these available social media platforms, or you can download it to your PC. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.